This is our home market. We born in Italy and we are working in Italy from 1967. Italian market is still one of the major markets for BMB. Our focus is to propose machine with really high reliability, less maintenance and long life of the machine. In our booth we are showing three applications. Two of thin wall packaging and one of caps enclosure, in this case flip top cosmetic. In my opinion, the most interesting application is a 450-ton hybrid machine where we revised the basic project of the hybrid standard, in this case configured for cap enclosure or medical or really thin wall packaging. What we done to have another level of the machine, we revised the clamping unit with the tie bar without oil. We drive the moving plate on the linear guide with a skate very big. We put more close the center of the machine on the movement on the moving plate in order to have more stability. Our clamping unit, the classical BMB clamping unit, is designed to push in the center of the plate in order to have not any bending of on the plate and to guarantee perfect parallelism, especially in the multi-cavity mold, like in this case 48 cavity of medical cap, 1.4 gram each one, and the wall of the glass is 0.36 millimeter. Only with a high level machine designed for packaging for thin wall, you can guarantee less than 3 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for 330 days a year. All with the same weight, every time for the same cycle time. In the same time, we revised the basement for caps enclosure machine, more strong, more robust, because the massive movement are very important. Gear pump, accumulator, double servo valve in order to reach, if necessary, also 1,500 millimeters per second. Of course, normally it's not necessary, but in order to be able to guarantee this type of performance, we revised also the piston of the injection. Is lighter than standard in order to be more fast when we push the material into the mold. The other two applications are with a full electric machine. One is for thin wall 2 IML application with I think 0.4 millimeter of the wall with the side entry robot, energy saving application. Our message is that full electric is a very important machine for us, and where it's possible to use this configuration of the machine, we are the first that we propose the full electric, but sometimes it's not possible to use electrical injection if you need injection speed very high. In this case it's possible because the product is not so high. It's a square container with high 35 millimeter, and the full electric is the best compromise compare performance and energy saving. The last application is another full electric machine for caps enclosure, flip top for detergent. In this case the cycle time is around 10 seconds. Our full electric machine standard as a small pump with accumulator with a small hydraulic circuit inside of the machine, standard, and was not necessary to addition one hydraulic equipment to move the cylinder to make the tread on the product, because the machine already has inside in all version. The mold is closing the flip top in the mold already by also in this case a cord puller, and is moved also with the hydraulic equipment inside of the machine.